Cravings are one of the reasons that most of the people fall off track from any healthy regime or they are not able to follow any diet. It was one of the reasons that I had gained almost 18-19 kg in 4.5-5 years. So if craving is one of the reasons that you are not able to lose weight, then surely we have to understand why do we crave, why our body craves for something. So today we will be talking about top 6 reasons of craving and how to fix them. So watch the video till end, and if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications every time when I upload new content. Hi everyone, my name is Harishankar, husband of a beautiful and caring woman, father of a wonderful boy and an IT professional turned entrepreneur and weight loss coach. Have helped a lot of people lose weight globally in a holistic way. So let's get back to the topic of why do we crave. So this lockdown has given a lot of us a really good excuses to eat. It's either mindless eating or eating to numb our uncomfortable things or uncomfortable feelings. So you definitely would have heard people talking about this. I am bored, I am stressed out, I have been working very hard all through the day. I need to eat something. For me it was like food is a stress buster. If I take break, I will go and eat something. Are you able to relate any of these things? I am sure yes, if you are also in the journey of weight loss and trying to get into your ideal weight. We always have mental fight whenever we cross through kitchen. You say to yourself, what can I eat? And you get a reply, hey, you are not hungry. You argue with yourself again, but I feel like eating something. And again you respond to yourself, but you already ate an hour ago. You had a lunch 1 hour ago. So this is how there is a war which is happening in our mind about eating something, and guess what happens? Who wins? Your mind takes over. You pick up that dark chocolate thinking that it has high amount of antioxidants, and when you eat them and when you feel little sweet, you feel like again eating something salty or crunchy, and then you pick up that potato chips as well. So this is how, there is a fight happening most of the times in our mind, and we lose that fight and cravings take over. I might be exaggerating, it might look exaggeration, but for me it was happening all the time. If I feel like eating samosa, I will eat samosa chaat. If I feel like eating chips, I will go and have that chips. Whatever junk I feel like eating, I used to eat. Unless and until I didn't understand what are the healthy habits which I can form, and what was the reason that I used to crave so much of eating all these sugary and carbs items. So as we discussed, cravings is one of the reasons that most of the people are not able to lose weight. So why not understand why do we crave? What are the reasons that we crave? What is the reasons for craving? Today we'll get into 6 top reasons which I feel and which personally was the reason for me to crave a lot. So the first reason is dehydration. Now most of us are not drinking enough amount of water. You know that a man needs almost 3 to 3.5 liters of water and a woman needs almost 2 to 2.5 liters of water on a daily basis. But how many people really drink this much amount of water? Hardly people sip some glasses of water after a meal and they are done. They are roaming around when they are totally dehydrated. So when you have dehydration, when you are dehydrated, your body craves for food because almost all the foods has water content in it. So most of the times cravings are often misinterpreted of thirst signals. We are thirsty but we crave for food and we go and eat something. So the best solution is drink plenty of water. 3 to 3.5 liters is good amount of water if you can drink. Again, it depends upon people to people. Some people who are working in AC, they might not need that much amount of water. Some people who are working outside, their water requirement would be more. But make sure that you drink enough amount of water whenever you feel thirsty. So how to fix this problem? Start your day with at least 400 to 450 ml of water, warm water. You can mix 1 spoon of wild honey and 1/2 lemon juice also you can squeeze in them. If you are a tea or coffee lover, make sure you don't drink coffee or tea before drinking water. Drink water and then drink tea or coffee because these hot beverages blunt your thirst signals. And second, lack of sleep. Because of lockdown, most of the people are sleeping late, keep watching YouTube, Netflix. I have seen from a lot of my clients and they ask me one question, what should I eat when I sleep late? My answer to them is, why would you sleep late in first place? But because of working very hard for whole through the day, the frustration spills over and they are looking for some entertainment through YouTube, through Netflix, through some TV series, and that prolongs their sleeping hours. So when you lack for sleep, how does your body crave? our body gets energy when we sleep. So when we don't have adequate sleep, our body look for the energy through food. And you would be seeing whenever you are awake late night, you would want to eat something. While watching TV serial, people will keep chips aside and then keep eating and then keep watching them. So how would you know how much hours of sleep is required? The fix is, don't put an alarm, sleep by 10:30, 11 or maximum 11:30 and see what time do you get up. It might be 6 hours, 7 hours or 7.5 hours. Anything is fine, but you would be knowing what is the time which your body requires to take rest. And accordingly you plan your rest of the day. If you know that you have to get up by 7 o'clock, you should start go to bed maybe at 11:30 or 12 maximum. And third, too much sugar. Sugar is addicting. The more you eat, the more your body would want for it. It really feels good when you eat that ice cream or you eat that pastries or you eat some sweet. That's why when you are stressed out, you will see that your body is pulling towards that sugar because it really feels good. But if you look at the other side, when you eat sugar, your blood sugar goes up, and as you know, whatever goes up comes down. So when your blood sugar comes down, what do you crave for? You guessed it right, we crave for sugar. Some people crave for carbohydrates plus sugar. Some people eat chips and some chocolates which has both carbs and sugar. So what is the fix for it? Eat meals frequently, don't skip your meals. Have a balanced meal, have protein, fat and carbohydrates so that your blood sugar is healthy, it's normal, does not fluctuate too much and you don't crave for too many things. Fourth is not much protein. Now how does protein leads to craving? So protein is made up of amino acid, which is a building block of neurotransmitter, the chemical which makes us feel things. When you have adequate amount of dopamine in your body, you feel good. But when the protein decreases in our body, the depletion of dopamine happens, and that's when we start feeling sad, we feel bad, our feelings are not pleasant, and we move towards eating something which will give us good feelings, which surely is sugar or carbs. So have adequate amount of protein in your diet. Make sure you have at least 0.7 grams to 1 gram of protein per kg of your body weight. If you weigh 60 kg, have at least 60 grams of protein, 50 to 60 grams of protein. Add proteins in every one of your meal. It will not only help put your cravings down, but it will help you keep your muscles mass intact, as well as you will have proper weight loss. And fifth is alcohol. I had seen during this lockdown time, when there was a relief after first wave, there was a huge queue outside liquor shop. Almost for 1 kilometer people were standing in queue. So definitely the consumption of liquor has gone high during this time. And why does it happen? When most of the people who drink, they know that it produces a pleasurable thing. So how does the pleasure comes from? Definitely it comes from chemicals in our body which called dopamine. So when you use alcohol to get this feeling up, the depletion of dopamine happens in our body, and you will be seeing most of the people who drink at night, next day they feel very bad. They feel extremely sad. Why did they do that? I have seen few of my friends when I used to stay them in paying guests. After having couple of glasses of wine, they will go again to buy, and next day they will get confused who swiped whose credit card. So no one really enjoys, and they get into this trap. And when you have alcohol, the time which you respond also goes little longer. Most of the people with alcohol, they will not drink only alcohol. They will have lot of side dishes as well, which causes more harm, matter of fact. So, and you would be knowing that alcohol leaves your body dehydrated, and dehydration is one of the major reasons that our body crave for all the junk food. So don't look happiness through alcohol. There are different ways through which you can keep yourself happy, healthy and in a better mood. So what is the fix for it? Don't drink alcohol. It's a blunt, but don't drink it. And sixth, last but not the least, too many visual triggers. I see people having all these kind of sugary items or all these junk food everywhere. They may have something in their kitchen, on their dining table, in their fridge. So when you are surrounded with so many of things which you are trying to avoid, it's really easy for you that you won't eat those things. So you have to keep your environment neat and clean. Don't go and buy and store in your house thinking that you won't eat. If you won't eat in first place, why did you pay money in supermarket? So as we all know, or you would have heard about me saying multiple times, your Environment is more powerful than your willpower. Don't try to control things using your willpower. Keep your environment neat and clean. In first place, the fix is don't buy them. Even if you feel like eating sometimes outside, you can eat and come home. Don't carry anything along home. So we discussed all these 6 things. I hope you understand the science behind why do you crave, and if you understand things in a better way, that's when you can control, or you would know by default that your body will start taking, mind will start taking action, because you know if you don't have enough protein, why you crave. If you drink alcohol, why body craves. If you don't have balanced meal, why body craves. So we have to understand it. That's when slowly your craving will come down. Same thing I had done when I started making these changes. I started losing weight slowly. And when I lost weight, it is no way that I will go back to my original habits how I was before. It is impossible for me to do that. So there are sometimes when people have miscellaneous triggers. They feel bored, they feel lonely, they feel left out, When people procrastinate something, they go and eat. So all those things are excuses for you to eat something. So we have to find a solution. If you feel bored, you have to do something which is your hobby. You can start painting, you can start listening to music, you can start watching movie, whatever is something which you love doing it. Don't procrastinate, take a break after some period of time, and in that time you decide what you want to eat. So it's all something more in our mind than in outside, which we start telling that I cannot control cravings. And this is one of the sentence, one of the line that is killing more people than any disease, on this planet today. So kill the cravings before it kills you. I hope it made a lot of sense to you. If you like the video, please share it to people who are also in the journey of their fitness, and stay safe, stay blessed, stay healthy.